Hello guys, and welcome back to Rezia Banu's Jikoni. Today we shall be making matoke with black peas. We'll heat up some oil in a sufuria. We'll add in 2 chopped onions. Once it's golden brown, we'll add in the potatoes and the raw bananas, which is mostly used to make the matoke. We'll add in chopped green chilies, chopped tomatoes, and you will season it according to your taste. We'll put some salt in it. We'll add some curry powder. We are using Simbambili curry powder. It has an amazing taste. It changes the whole flavor of the food. We'll stir that up. We'll add in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We wouldn't want it to overpower the flavors, so we just put little. We'll add in the black beans, priorly boiled. You can even use the tinned ones if you don't have the time to boil your own black peas. We'll just cover that up after some time as it emits water. We'll add in some more water in it and let it boil in it. It's an amazing dish and us Kenyans love it. As soon as the potatoes and the bananas have cooked and gone soft, we'll garnish it with some fresh cilantro, and voila, it's ready to serve. You can smash it or have it as it is. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.